Hey guys, it's Skylark here. Welcome to the next episode. Today I'm going to show you how to remove scratches from an old photograph. So let's start. First of all, to remove scratches, you will need an app that is called OIR. You will find a link to this app in the description of this video. It's available for your phone, both on Android and iOS. So get the app, install it, and then open it. Once you do this, click on the Choose Photo from Gallery button. Choose the photograph which has the scratches that you want to remove, and then here at the bottom, choose Historical Preset. Once you do this, click Restore, and now AI will analyze the photograph, identify all of the damage like scratches, stains, tears, etc. and remove it for us, preserving the original colors of the photograph. So as you can see, AI finished processing. This was the look of the photograph before, and this is how it looks after processing it with AI. So as you can see, all of the scratches were removed, and we can simply click Save to save the photograph to our gallery. Now, if we would like to colorize that photograph that we just restored, we can choose the photo from gallery, choose the photograph that we just restored, and then move the presets to the right side until we see colorize or colorize plus. Choose one of those presets, hit restore, and right now AI will colorize this black and white photograph for us. It's simple as that, and just with a few clicks we can restore any old photograph and colorize it, as you can see right now on the screen. So that's it for today. Let me know in the comments if you managed to remove scratches from your old photograph, and remember to hit thumbs up, subscribe our channel, and share this video with your friends. Thanks for watching.